So guys, we are in the Tanzanian jungle here, countryside. Little Chaga tribe house here behind me. And in the distance, I don't know if you guys can see it because the clouds are covering it, but we have Mount Kilimanjaro, which I'll be climbing in 2 days. Look at that boy. Beast of a monster. Sly dog. Because you're always traveling, man. So if you guys wonder, I learned from the best right here.
It's getting real. It's getting real. What tribe are you? One day. Get rid of me. Our green is paramedic.
Yeah, we gotta go up here. Yeah, safer here.
No, just go right.
Pole pole, yes. Safi, safi.
Passion fruit. Yeah, it's nice. Nice. That hits the spot, actually. He said there are snakes in the grass. Oh, there's snakes.
The same?
Davidi, our guide. King Richard.
Yeah. I like
JP, Princess Cinnamon. Getting ready with this waterfall, the Moroteni.
Update us, update us. Update us.
Okay, we're at a waterfall here. We're doing a hike to try to get our lungs acclimatized. Start over. We're here at Camp Waterfall Moroteni. It's not actually a camp, but we're doing a shakedown hike, trying to get our lungs capacity to trick our minds, our bodies into producing more red blood cells. So we're breathing twice as much. We're coming to a waterfall here. It's 2 days before we start, actually. We're gonna jump in and chill out.
Can we not bite?
I can put it. Can I put it on the hand?
Yes, okay. Tishi kila kitu ni wewe. Mshaka msoro.
Nice.
Pole pole. You see their eyes? It's like a cycle. You see? It's going round.
360.
Yeah. I know this is a man, so sometimes it's so very aggressive because it's a man.
We eat them?
So from here, when you do hard, like you're gonna break it, you can see the second skin of the coffee. You play your part. 5 cups of coffee.
Good work.
You see?
Oh, nice.
You do the great job, right?
Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah, show you one thing.
And yet another bike, boys and girls. We're out here in the African bush.
We're just out to go to a little hot springs before we start our climb to base camp tomorrow. Somebody's got a couple motorcycles off the security guards at the hotel. $8 for the half day. And we're checking out this river. We ran into this herd of goats. Beautiful river down here.
So the guards that we talked into letting us use their bikes. We got their bikes here. Nice.
We get to Kilimanjaro.
Now we're gonna go explore the African plains. Look at Dad's tire, it's about to pop. The mountain here in the back. Just got back from the spring, but it's covered by the clouds. Starts here, goes there, and here's the other edge. So the peak is somewhere up in here.
I think it's somewhere up in there.
I think it's somewhere right there.
Anyway, the beast is back shrouded in the clouds, the mystery of the mist. And tomorrow morning,
We start the mission.
we start the
The
mission.
expedition.
Give us a fist pump. We need your prayers. We need your support.
Let's go.
Like, share, comment. We start up. We're getting rested tonight. Our bags are packed. We went through our equipment checklists.
We had a fun little bike ride today, and yeah, we're ready to go.
We're ready to go. This is our first
First glimpse of the mountain.
We're driving. It's our first glimpse of the beast. We're nicknaming the mountain the beast.
The beast. Here we
because
go.
it's our enemy.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Oh, it's hidden behind that tree. Well, let's go look at the side. Yeah. There it is. There it is.
There's the beast.
There's the mountain.
That's the beast. It does not do it justice. It's huge.
It's huge.
It's huge, guys.
All we could see before was like this little peak over here. It was clouds. All of this. All day, today and yesterday. And we just now saw the
And
first
to give you an
glimpse.
idea, we're at about 4,000 feet already, and it goes another 16,000 feet.
That's crazy. That's cool.